Here we are at the LA Auto Show. I started off at the Toyota booth, then I went over to the Jeep booth. And the Jeep booth is amazing. They have this great course where you're able to get a test drive in them and really see the capabilities of a Jeep. But in this video, I wanted to kind of talk about a few other vehicles, a few other companies that are coming out with their new pickups, and just give a different look.
Surprisingly good amount of headroom.
What vehicle is this here?
The Santa Cruz. It's actually really nice. Running boards. I kind of like it. I think this would be great for you. And then you can put the trash in the back when you go to the dump.
I'm here with some family, and they were looking at different vehicles, and this Santa Cruz really caught my eye.
It's very fast. It comes with a roll track, I think, from the factory. So
wow.
Automatically sealed it in, and it's a metal line. And all that stuff.
Wow.
But this is perfect for you. Look at that.
When hydrogen development seemed like a dead end, we stayed committed. Committed to stay true to our vision to come.
This is not bad. If you like the inside of it, it says that it starts at $32,000.
Ooh.
This Hyundai Tucson was really nice. They are making some more off-road versions. Now, it doesn't have 4-low or anything like that, but just seeing that these companies are trying to break out and have something new to offer is really nice.
What, Mark? How is it?
Oh, this is really nice. It's got a lot of headroom.
What is this?
Hyundai Tucson, I think. I don't know. I don't know much about this one, but it's nice. It looks great with the big tires on it.
Is U-Mode. All the convenience of owning a Ford.
Look at the amount of legroom back here. This is crazy. I wish I had this much legroom in my Toyota. I had this seat where I'm comfortable. Not even trying. And I have this much room. This is the Ford Ranger. Look at how much legroom is in this. Oh.
Sometimes slowly, other times in the blink of
That's
an
with
eye.
me sitting in the front seat.
Building a better world together.
Crazy. So jealous.
This is the Santa Fe XRT. This is Hyundai's off-road model, and it comes with a 2.5 liter turbo.
This looks nice.
Oh my God, that's a handle. So you put your foot here.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's
Oh, that's cool.
very good.
Oh, that looks nice. Oh, wow. Look at this dashboard here. It's like a panorama type of thing. That looks like electric charging for your phone. Right there.
It was nice seeing some of these newer vehicles, but oddly enough, the LA Auto Show this year was missing a lot of car companies. We were trying to video as much as we could, but there really wasn't that much new and interesting that hasn't been already seen. The best vehicles were at the ORV stand. But that being said, please like and subscribe.